Welcome. The following clip will demonstrate how to use Smart Match in the Payment Reconciliation Report for RoomKeyPMS payments powered by Fullsteam. On the Payment Reconciliation Report, Smart Match transactions are grouped together at the top of the screen. These are non-matching transactions that share criteria with other non-matching transactions. For example, we have a transaction recorded in the RoomKeyPMS hotel database that is missing an authorization number and transaction ID. We have a similar transaction recorded inside the RoomKeyPMS payments powered by Fullsteam processor that does have an authorization and transaction ID. These two transactions potentially match. We can see their potential match criteria listed in the match points. You can view a list of match points for these two transactions by hovering on the match point icon. We can see here that 4 of 5 criteria match between these two transactions. The only things that do not match exactly are the cardholder name. For the cardholder name, you can see it is recorded as Rebecca Ellis and it's recorded as Rebecca G. Ellis. Once you are confident that these two transactions match, you can select the Match All Transactions button. Once the transactions are successfully matched, you will receive a confirmation. You will see them now appear within the match transactions down below. Next to the match transaction, you will see the letter M icon, which you can hover over, view that this was a manual match, when the match was performed, and the clerk ID who made the match. Now, if there are any non-matching criteria, such as the cardholder name, that will remain highlighted to show that those two fields were the only non-matching criteria. Thank you for watching. For more videos, visit support.roomkeypms.com.